Hello, guys. Okay, so this is my new channel. If you remember my last channel, I have not still gave it in my featured channel, but I'll be giving it later on. So yes, so this is my new channel in which I'm going to give Scratch tutorials, and you know, you, the Scratch platform is so good, and you know. In the mirror, my name is Miracle Publishing on Scratch. You can search it and follow me. And so let's start from the beginning. We will be making on start menu. For that, it will take some time, but let's begin. So first, whatever you do, you have to use this block. This cat customization is so good. No, I love it. Yes, so when the green flag is the most important block actually. Like whenever you start the project, see that? You see that? Yes. So that's very important. Okay, let's broadcast something like start. I suggest. Yes. And I'm not going to use it right now because I don't have any ideas right now because I just starting without any ideas. I'm just starting it. Okay, so we can make something. First, let's delete this white and okay, whatsoever we do, first we have to make the background of any color I want. Actually, I want it to be pitch black. I make it pitch black. And now what? I'm gonna make something better. Like now, what it does, this button you can just see and understand easily that this button is used. When you click this button, this button is gonna be really useful because that's the main button. Means like when you press this button, the game starts, or anything that you want starts. Yes, so this is the play option, and I'm gonna use this first, and go to background. Start menu. Yes, so start menu, and there's a play button as we have added it. First I'm going to code the play button for one thing. Means whenever like we're touching it with the mouse, it's like the play button rises, so, or it changes by its shape, color, size, yeah, whatsoever. So now we have to do one thing. I'm broadcasting the start button. So when I receive start, this start is not for all users. The start is, as we know, the start is just going for good control coordination for our project. No spreading of the control over the project on one button. So when I receive start over the play button, I have to play. Just change it to sprite play. Yes. That time you do one thing. You go to controls forever. You had if else block touching mouse pointer. No, what I want to do is make a duplicated costume of it. But I'm gonna make it big. Not like this, I'm gonna make the text big. Right, so I'm gonna make the text bigger, let's see. Okay, I need to make it more bigger. I'm making it super big. Wait, no! Okay, that's alright. That's fine. Yep. Make it bigger, see. Play 1. Play 2. So that's what you do here. And now, first we'll do that. As you know, it's play 1 the first. So if it mouse is touching, the switch goes into play 1. Play 2, and if it's not touching, we have some buttons. Play 1. Costume over. Now if we test it up, we check out. Wait, first we save it up. And done. Okay, now see. Yeah, it's working fine. Now you would be asking me one question. Why did I make it black? Some of you might say, no, it's just because of the background. No, but I'm not saying it's because of the background also. It's just because of two things. No, that's a one. The main thing is this play has this background so that even if touching here can make it bigger. I'm gonna show you it. If I delete that, see there's a play button. Alright, so here it is. Now you just touch, see that this bug. To fix this bug, see if you can see, for some people like touch the corner, see that it's not working nicely, but if we do that, see, yeah, that's it. That's what you need. Right, so play button. Now I'm gonna copy one more duplicate sprite right here, which will be named as option, which will be named that's the same thing. The playmat doesn't why it's too big. So what you can do, I'm making the full baby. Wait, why? Okay, I was going to have a mistake. So it will make this one smaller. Play options. But I can also do, let me first save it. I can also do one more special thing on this project, which is paint a new one. It's a border color of 5, which it looks like. First, what I can do is, well, play is here. Now I can do that thing. See, start, show up. Right. Okay, so one more thing here. I'm gonna add one broadcast. Play button. It should be named play button. And if it's like that, you don't need to like broadcast play button. But then you go to events and I see play button. It also shows, and it will go to the server. Or whether I say glide 1 second to this area. So why did I do gliding? It's not gliding right now because of the real one thing, which I can show you. That is of this thing. Now if I add something to this one now, like instead of play button, I add here options button. Now the same thing is going to happen, just that it's going to come here. Okay, so options. I do each time. What? It's gliding so slowly. Now it's getting so slow, so I'm gonna add 0.1 seconds. But to both I suggest. Okay, so I didn't. like that, but it has to literally wait for so whole time. What? The first thing has happened. We'll click on options button and we leave. Then it shows it. Then this error comes. Like, why would you do that? Okay, let me just save the project because I just got the bug. Wait. Yes, so guys, I think it can be corrected with the help of this light. If this does not work, I have another idea. Try to show you options, bro. Options. Alright, so let's wait here. I'm gonna wait. Yeah, it's not working. It is working, but like it's not working nice. Because if I see, both of the blocks aren't here. It's seeing the top of the block. It's not seeing on the block where the block is. It's just seeing where it is. Okay, so this is not working. What I can do is gliding 0 seconds. That, you know, I think this is gonna work. Please look it up. Wait, first let's make it to my. Wait, I can just make it to minus 48 minus 54 time. Yes, it's working. Let's go. It's gliding in no time. But if we need the gliding action, I do think 0.01 is gonna work. Which you don't have that much time. The animation does not. It's not even here, so you just set up with this 0 thing. Right? Now I'm gonna do one thing, and that additional thing is the last part of our video, and that is adding a button signal, which means when a key is pressed, it's gonna give that information to this point. Like if you click down arrow, it's doing the same thing. It's doing the same thing. It's like that, and but the different type of thing is a thing which is not related. It does related. It is related, and the main thing is here that like here if we see the up arrow down arrow, when there are 3 buttons, it becomes a little more harder to code it up. Oh my god. Okay, it becomes a little more harder to code play and options. And if you do settings, the options and settings only you play and options, and that's that. Yeah. Nah, that's okay, that's okay. Then let's start our project for the final touch. And let's take some test of our keys. If you can hear the keyboard sounds. Yeah. So it's going up and down. That's working fine. Yeah. So that's all for today. So I'm gonna clean up the blocks. Clean up. So that was all for today. Thank you guys for watching. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to make 3 buttons, the 3rd button, and also show what happens after opening the options button. Till then, till the next video comes. Goodbye.